I'm Teresa, and this is Helen.
Hi.
And we are here to tell you all about our brand new Soil Cubed product, Ag in the Bag Classroom Kit. And I'm really excited. This is an educational tool.
Yes, it absolutely is. This is a complete kit for you to have an educational growing experience.
I love it. I think it's fantastic. And so what are the elements of this kit?
Okay, so it's got everything you need. You start with your beautiful bag of soil cubed humus compost. We make this ourselves. It's all natural, it's full of nutrients, and all plants love to grow in it. And then we have 30 propagation bags, as you see here. We have some little plants already taking root and growing beautifully in our soil cubes.
And these are made of what?
They're made of recycled water bottles. And we give you 30 of the sources as well, because the soil cubed, when it's in the pouch, it helps to retain the water. But if you get too much water in it, the pouch allows it to drain out into your saucer.
Excellent.
Yes.
And so with these 30 pouches, you have seed, right?
We have seeds. We've selected special seeds for these kits. Bigger seeds for little fingers to hold. We do recommend that you plant 3 seeds in each pouch, so just in case you have one that doesn't germinate, we don't want any sad little faces if one does not germinate. You've got 3 chances with it. So.
and all of that comes in this, right?
Yes, this is the bag element of Ag in the Bag. It's a custom tote that we've designed specially for this kit. And it also comes with a resource booklet.
And I noticed that, so I have the resource booklet, and not only does it have other resources, but there's book selections in here as well, and then information on how to get this kit. So this kit is perfect for classroom use, STEM classrooms, STEAM classrooms, the younger children, older children, fantastic. How would we get our hands on this kit?
Well, it's actually good for everybody, not just in the classroom scenario, homeschooling. We even have grandmas that buy it to do planting with their children, and you can use it yourself if you want more propagation opportunities. It contains everything you need for 30 plants. And
can be ordered online?
Yes, this is our first kit that we're offering online. You order it directly from us online, and shipping is included in the price, so you just order it and we deliver it to you.
Absolutely wonderful. So this entire kit, free shipping, Ag in the Bag kit.